Hello everyone. Today video I want to show you how can creating standoff and inserting the 3D model, everything. So let's start. We need to go to the file, creating the new. We need to creating the new component. So go to the new component. Match home 3.5. 2.5 if version 2. Okay, and then the first you have to check if your device is this one. How can you need to take this one? Make sure this is like is one, this is two. And then because you need to connecting on one pin, that's why you have this one. And then you can disable the name, disappear, and then take the cycle. Yep. Adjust like put like 0.06 and then like with the 3 filling color, and this color is not good. This one is okay. Change here, move this one must be here. Yes, done. What is the next? Just save, and then the next we have to creating the footprint. Go to the file and then creating footprint. MG image 3.4 2.5 mm LF version 2. What is the next? We have to take this one, pad, put here in 00, x and y in 00, and then you have to put in 3.5. What about here? 2.5. Done. Already done, and save. And then go here, and then you have to check. This one is a metal. No need putting on the board of material. We have to put in 0. No, just, and then you have to add this footprint, and then you go to the personal, I have to go to the personal and take this one, like personal is this one. So we make, see, is this one, and then confirm. Successful. And then when you're creating the file, for example, creating the project, or let's use the um, okay, it's creating the new project. Okay, Mateo. Just okay. Then you go here, opening schematic, and then then next, how can I putting this one? Go here, and then there is personal. Sorry. This personal is this one. You have this one, then create, key to the press. What do you see? Is what we make. You see, is what we make. Right? Um, Even you can send this one to the 3D, to the schematic diagram. And then you can check how it look like on the board. Yeah, it's okay. Is this one, then you can create it to the 3D. You see? To see how it look like. That the hole we make is this one. So the next one, we have to creating the sometime you need to creating the standoff. The first work already done. The next one is like to creating standoff. How can I creating standoff? So it's like we can use this website. It's like this one, and then you find standoff. And then standoff in the fit. This one I can putting like, okay, let's put 3.3. It's okay. You see this one, this standoff, it's okay. This one is okay, I think. And We open, got the schematic, and then first we have to creating another one. Go to the creating new component again, standoff, and then the same model. Need take this one pin, disable this one, and then need to change this one and this one here. Take this one. This one is the same. Filling this one, and the line we can putting on 5. It's okay. Yeah, this one is okay. And then the self. The next one you have creating the footprint, of course, and standoff. Remember the standoff is this one. You can take, or you can take the name. You can putting this name. You can putting the order this one. So when you open this file, we see this one. There's a size we have to use for creating our footprint. Let's start to take part the same like this. Put one, then see here we have 3.7. The bigger one is 6. The bigger one is this one. I'm putting the 6, and this one 3.7. The bigger one, and then what is the another we have to configure. The 2.5. And that's it. Okay, and then you have to save, and then you have to go back here, and then here you can changing the or standoff. Yeah, it's depending on you. Have to insert this one. Go to the personal. This one. This is the one what we're creating right now. And then you go to the configure. And then the next you have to inserting this 3D model. we have to go here, and then we have a 3D model here. You see this one, and then download this step. Okay, after okay is dot step, and then the next you have to go to create, and then creating model file 3D model, and then the file the maximum is 13. And then we go to the download, of course, this one. It's okay, done. So you see here you have to modify this one. Here let's put in according this one you have 1.4, negative, because we need to put down 1.4 negative. It's okay, but you see it's not good, it's not feeling good. Let's put in, yeah, this one is okay. Still line now is in the middle. When you look like this one, it's okay. And then the next one you have to configure, and then save. And then when you need to put this one, you go to a schematic diagram, and we can take this one. No schematic, what? No schematic diagram. You can take this one. You see you have schematic, footprint, and 3D model right now. Everything's there. Then you can press. See this one, it's okay. And then you can go. You remember this one in must putting on the ground. That's all, because or and then you can go to the sim design PCB, because I need to show the house look like in the board. So see this one, the next go to the 3D. Wow, already done. This one is our standoff, or designing our standoff, and mode fall. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you learn important things, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.